All right, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? It's just about 8 o'clock here. We're going to get started. But before we do, let's go ahead and let's go through some of the symbols we'll be talking about so everybody's clear. If I mention that I'm trading RTY, that's going to be your mini Russell. Here are the symbols up here. ES, of course, is going to be the E-mini S&P. YM is going to be the mini Dow, and NQ is going to be the mini NASDAQ. We'll be also looking at gold, GC, silver, SI, CL for crude, and NG is going to be our natural gas. Then we're also going to be watching Bitcoin for those that like to watch Bitcoin. We'll be calling out trades on those. And then on the currencies, we're going to be looking at the Aussie, US, Euro US, and the US yen. We're going to be looking at trading a couple different strategies. Now on the currencies, we're going to be using one of 5 different core patterns, and which we teach in our packages. And then on the indices and on the commodities, we're going to be using what we call Einstein. That is going to provide us with an entry, a profit target, and or reversal. So I'm just scanning over charts here and seeing what I'm looking at. I don't see anything initially set up. Well, the only thing I have here right now is I do have a gold that just started. So we have a short gold going on. Go ahead and give you that. Gold already triggered here before we get started, but it went short at 1856, looking at a low of 1852. That is going to be a profit target, 1852. And if we don't hit that, we're going to reverse at 1864. 1864. Crude oil is starting short here as well. Crude oil triggered short at 111.05. It's kind of moving kind of fast here. Target's going to be 110.65. 110.65. Reversal, if we don't hit our target on crude, is going to be 111.85. Gold's trying to hit target here. It's at 52.5. 52 is our target on the gold. Once again, if you just joined us on YouTube and Facebook, first of all, thank you for joining us this morning. What this is strictly a demonstration. We're not, we highly recommend you do not try to duplicate these trades. There is a delay in broadcast, and it is important that you execute once we hit an entry. And because of the delay, you may be getting it late, so do not recommend that you do that. You have to must understand the full strategy before attempting any kind of trades. So just use this as demonstrational. If you have any questions, you can go to my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com. Plenty of educational material out there. And also I have more information on Einstein as well as my core package. And then, of course, you have questions, just go to binaryprostrategies.com. Always be glad to answer your questions. We did hit gold, so gold already hit its target. Nice way to start the morning. Only thing we have going on right now is short of silver. We do have a short coming up here on our mini NASDAQ, which is NQ. I'd be careful on that right now, but I'll give you a target on that NQ anyway. NQ target is going to be 118.57 and a half. All right, and then of course, if it doesn't hit target, reversal is going to be 119.70. RTY is getting a buy on RTY. RTY is going to be your mini Russell. All right, target on RTY is going to bring you up to 17.99. 17.99. It's already had a pullback, so a little bit better entry here. Entry is anything below 1794. Reversal, if we get need the reverse, it's going to be 1784. Natural gas is getting a buy on natural gas. Keep in mind, I am trying to keep it with 12 different markets here, so I'm going to call some of these out late, but this is once again, I'm trying to demonstrate here. If you're going to trade on your own, you have to understand how it works so you can make sure that you're entering at the right time. But I'll give you the target on natural gas anyway. Natural gas came in at 7.95 with a target of 7.98. Profit target hit. See, natural gas already hit target, so natural gas is out. Couldn't even get the alert in. That's how fast they move sometimes. All right, so let's see. So mini NASDAQ is still short, which is the NQ. Long RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. And crude is still short with a target of 110.65, approaching target. Silver also went short. Silver's a slow mover. Profit target hit. Crude oil just hit target, out of crude. Okay. Entry on that silver came in at 21.91. Target's gonna be 21.78. Silver needs reverse, gonna reverse at 22.16. Okay, took profit on crude, took profit on natural gas. Took profit on gold. Now we're still short NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ, and long RTY, which is your mini Russell. right, pretty quiet. I think we're gonna get some fairly big movement here once this Dow opens up here in about 15 minutes. Watching for a push to the upside first, then maybe a pullback. Okay, so we're still long RTY, still short NQ, and still short silver. Not seeing anything on Bitcoin, not seeing anything yet on the currencies. Though I am looking for a short to come up here on the yen, so I'm waiting for a short to come up in the yen. All right, just quietly waiting for something to set up here. I mean, we're just holding on to that RTY long, short NQ, short silver. Once again, it's recommended if you're trading Einstein, only trade one indice at a time. My personal favorites are going to be RTY and ES. I would only trade one of those. If you want to trade two, I would trade or have two positions on. It would be probably RTY in gold or ES in gold or RTY in natural gas or ES in natural gas. It's really hard to follow more than two. You're gonna just sometimes they're gonna hit all at the same time, and you're gonna be late on one. And so if that's the case, just wait for that entry. Wait for a pullback into the entry before you take it. Just don't take a short, because a lot of times you could be selling as it's going down, and you want to make sure you're getting in at entry. right, a few minutes ago here before the Dow opens up. Okay, about 15 seconds to go here, and Dow's going to open up. Short NQ, long RTY. Watch for possibility of an RTY reversing going short. Dow's up 242.
Profit target hit.
NQ just hit target, which is your US Tech. Still short silver. Watch for RTY to reverse and go short.
Reverse sell.
RTY just reversed and went short. I like this short. Strong pattern setup short. This is going to be an HF1 short. Target on that RTY is going to bring us down to 1779. If we need the reversal is going to be 1794. Already out of NQ. NQ did hit target. Still short silver now, short RTY. Got too busy, missed my short on my US yen, darn it. Anyway, there was a nice short on US yen, I missed that. Just can't catch them all. All right, still short RTY, still short silver. RTY getting closer to target. RTY pulled back above entry, gave you another opportunity to get in. RTY approaching target. Watch for YM to go short.
Profit target hit.
Hit on RTY. YM getting ready to go short. YM once again is going to be your mini Dow. Right now, the only open positions, and we're short the silver. YM going short. Short on YM. Target on YM is going to bring us down to 314.13. Reversal is going to be 315.63. 315.63. Okay, we're short YM, short silver. Dow so far is holding its gains up 282. All right, so let's take a look at our overnight trades. The trades we put on last night. Crude came in long. Aussie yen coming in long. Euro pound coming in long. Euro yen coming in long. And pound yen coming in long. And they're all green at this point. Okay, still short silver, short YM. Getting a couple buys over already. NQ already went long. ES already went long. Watching for a buy on RTY, possible reversal on YM. I'll go ahead and I'll give you that entry on NQ since it hasn't hit target. ES hit target. Okay, so NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ, went long at 118.95 with a target 119.32 and a half. 119.32 and a half.
Profit target hit.
And it already hit target on US Tech. YM still short. Silver still short. Possible another short coming up on the US yen. Let's see if we can catch this if this pattern holds. Whenever you see those double red O's together, it's usually a really good trade setting up for a short. What do you? Oh, I'm sorry. YM getting ready to reverse and go long.
Reverse buy.
YM just reversed and went long. This is going to be an HF1 strong pattern setup for buy. RTY just went long, buying RTY, which is your small cap. This is going to be an HF2 buy on RTY. Target RTY is going to bring us up to 1794. $17.94. Low is going to be coming in at 17.79, 17.79. Once again, we are using the Einstein method on the indices and on the commodities. That double arrow short didn't hold up on the US yen, so no trade on that. Still short silver. So anybody that's thinking about getting into CB and upgrading to Einstein, the price of Einstein is going to be going up pretty substantially here shortly. It's really at a very much discounted price right now, so there's going to be quite a bit of increase on the Einstein. So if you want to act, I would act I'm looking at raising it probably, let's see, what's June? Probably around the 1st of July. I'm going to raise the price, and it is going to go up substantially on Einstein. I'm not looking to have this widely distributed. Don't plan on increasing the price on CB. Core is going to remain the same. We are going to start offering some additional services. We're going to be watching, starting a new service, watching stocks, using the same methods. So that should be really interesting. All right, still short silver. Already out of the YM, and YM hit its target. So long RTY, still long RTY, short silver. No, good question. Is there a correlation between crude oil and natural gas? Not always. A lot of times they will move opposite of each other, Glenn. But that's a good question. But if you watch ES and the US yen, there's a correlation between the ES, which is your E-mini S&P, and US Japanese yen. There's definitely a correlation there. There's a lot of correlations, a lot of negative correlations, all real important when we're trading. All right, still long RTY, just holding long RTY and short silver. So there's been times, Glenn, on crude, like I'll have a short, I'll have a buy, and they both hit. Right, so I'll make it on the crude, make it on the... And then there's times when I get buys on both of them. I get a buy on crude and buy on natural gas, and they both hit. So they're just... I think overall, when you're short-term trading like that, it's best just to go with whatever the setup is. Wow, Dow's up 421, 422. I think we'd start to see this RTY get pulled up here. Really like this buy on this RTY. I think it's going to go. I really think it's going to get going here. Entry on that RTY came in at 1789. And it's pulling back here. Reversal is going to be 1779. I like to add down here as a pullback.
reverse sell.
Well, RTY reversed and went short. Be careful on RTY. Wait for an HF2 before re-entry. So this is a HF1 short on RTY. I would wait for an HF2 to develop. Wouldn't take this short. Still short silver though. Looking for a target 2178. $21.78. Okay, NQ's getting a short now. Getting a short on NQ. NQ once again is going to be a US Tech. This is coming off of an HF3 short. HF3 short I like. Target on this NQ is going to bring us down to 118.57.5. Reversal is going to be 119.70. Short NQ, short silver.
Profit target hit.
All right, US Tech hit target. Just puts us short silver. ES just went short, just got a short on the US 500. Which is your E-mini. That short came in at 39.28.25 and looking for a target 39.22. $39.22 is going to be a target on ES. If we need to reverse, going to reverse at $39.41. Target hit on ES. Okay, we're at the top of the hour, so that's going to be it today for our demonstration. Once again, if you have any questions, please go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me your questions. Also, plenty of educational materials on my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us this morning. And remember, be careful and have a good trading day. And we'll see you all tomorrow morning, first thing at 8, let's see, what's 9 a.m. Eastern. Take care.